Candle 832. Oh, it looks like you're an old guy. Are you old? Let me see your teeth. Here, let's see. Come here. What if I give you this little thing? Oh, okay. He's got horrible teeth and an underbite. From his picture, I thought he was a Chihuahua. But look at the big old butt. He's like got a big old body. We should name you Beetlejuice. Because you got a little head and a big old body. Hi, I love your underbite. Oh, your neighbor's not happy that you're getting all the love, huh? Good boy. Do you know sit? Come on, let's see. Sit. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Oh, he's so handsome. You're so cute. Oh, look at that face. Oh, can you shake? Come on, shake. Come on, shake. I know you know shake. I know you know shake. Come on, shake. Shake. Good boy. Oh my gosh, I love him. Look at you. Oh, you're an old man. You need a dental. Yeah, look at the face. Okay, one more. Okay, sit down. Come on. One more time. Come on. Come on. Sit. Sit. Come on, Papa. Sit. Good.